Have you ever dreamed of starting a YouTube channel but don't want to show your face? Or maybe you're camera shy, or you simply prefer to keep your identity private. What if I told you that with the power of AI, you can create engaging, high-quality content without ever being on camera? That's right. AI tools are revolutionizing the way we create content. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to start a faceless YouTube channel using AI. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for new ways to grow your channel, this video is for you. Let's dive in. Step 1. Choose your niche. The foundation of any successful YouTube channel is a well-defined niche. A niche is simply the specific topic or category your channel will focus on. For a faceless channel, you want to pick something that doesn't require you to be on camera, but still has a strong audience demand. Some great examples of faceless niches include tech reviews and tutorials, personal finance and investing, gaming walkthroughs and tips, health, fitness, and self-improvement, AI news and tools, storytelling or animated content. To find the perfect niche, ask yourself, what am I passionate about? What do I enjoy researching or talking about? And most importantly, is there an audience for it? Use tools like Google Trends, TubeBuddy, or vidIQ to analyze search trends and see what's popular. Remember, the more specific your niche, the easier it is to stand out. Step 2. Plan your content. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to brainstorm video ideas. Start by researching what's already working in your niche. Look at popular channels and see what types of videos are getting the most views. But don't just copy them. Add your own unique twist. Here's where AI can be a game changer. Tools like ChatGPT or Jasper can help you generate video ideas and even write scripts. For example, you can ask ChatGPT, give me 10 video ideas for a tech review channel, or write a script for a video about the top AI tools for 2025. Once you have your ideas, create a content calendar to stay organized. Plan out your videos for the next month or even quarter. This will help you stay consistent, which is crucial for growing your channel. Step 3. Create your videos using AI tools. This is where the magic happens. With AI, you don't need expensive equipment or technical skills to create professional quality videos. Let me walk you through the process. First, you'll need a script. If you haven't already used ChatGPT or Jasper to write one, now's the time. Once your script is ready, it's time to turn it into a video. For video creation, tools like Pictory, InVideo, or Synthesia are perfect for faceless channels. These platforms allow you to input your script and automatically generate videos using stock footage, animations, and even AI avatars. For example, Synthesia lets you create videos with realistic AI. Presenters, no camera required. Next, you'll need a voiceover. Instead of recording your own voice, use AI voiceover tools like Muff.ai, Descript, or Lovo.ai. These tools offer a variety of natural-sounding voices in different languages and accents. Simply paste your script, choose a voice, and generate the audio. Finally, don't forget about visuals. Use tools like Canva or Adobe Express to create eye-catching thumbnails and graphics. A great thumbnail can make all the difference in getting people to click on your video. Step 4. Edit and polish your videos. Even though AI tools do a lot of the heavy lifting, a little editing can take your videos to the next level. Use editing software like CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, or Adobe Premiere Pro to add finishing touches. Here are some editing tips. Add transitions between scenes to make your video flow smoothly. Include text overlays to highlight key points or quotes. Use background music to set the tone. Just make sure it's royalty-free. Websites like Epidemic Sound or art lists are great for finding music. If you need to remove backgrounds or enhance video quality, check out AI tools like Runway ML or Topaz Video Enhance AI. Editing might seem intimidating at first, but with practice, you'll get the hang of it. And remember, you don't need to be perfect, just focus on creating value for your audience. Step 5. Upload and optimize your videos for YouTube. Once your video is ready, it's time to upload it to YouTube. But before you hit that publish button, let's talk about optimization. First, write a compelling title. Your title should be clear, engaging, and include keywords that people are searching for. For example, instead of AI tools, try top 5 AI tools that will change your life in 2025. Next, write a detailed description. Use this space to explain what your video is about and include relevant links, like your social media or website. Don't forget to add hashtags and tags to help YouTube understand your content. Finally, create a custom thumbnail. Your thumbnail is the first thing people see, so make it eye-catching. Use bold text, bright colors, and high-quality images to grab attention. Step 6. Promote and grow your channel. Uploading your video is just the beginning. Now it's time to get in front of as many eyes as possible. Share your videos on social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Join online communities and forums related to your niche and share your content there. You can also use AI tools like Hootsuite or Buffer to schedule your posts and track engagement. Another great strategy is to collaborate with other creators in your niche. This can help you reach a wider audience and build relationships in your community. And don't forget about YouTube's own features, like playlists and end screens. Organize your videos into playlists to keep viewers watching longer, and use end screens to promote your other videos. Before we wrap up, here are a few bonus tips to help you succeed. 1. Be consistent. Upload regularly to keep your audience engaged and build momentum. 2. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and ask for feedback to build a loyal community. 3. Analyze your performance. Use YouTube analytics to see what's working and what's not. Pay attention to metrics like watch time, click-through rate, and audience retention. 4. Keep learning. The world of AI and YouTube is always evolving, so stay curious and keep experimenting with new tools and strategies. And that's it. With these steps, you can start a faceless YouTube channel using AI and turn it into a thriving online business. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and consistency. But with the power of AI on your side, you're already ahead of the game. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on AI and content creation. And if you have any questions or want to share your own experiences, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.